evening. Flash flood watch in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northeast Georgia, western North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina, including the following counties. In northeast Georgia, Habersham and Raven. In western North Carolina, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Macon, Jackson, Swain, and Pennsylvania. In upstate South Carolina, mountainous portions of Greenville, Oconee, and Pickens counties. From Wednesday morning through Wednesday. Here is a flood statement. Flash flood watch in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northeast Georgia, western North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina, including the following counties. In northeast Georgia, Habersham and Raven. In western North Carolina, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Macon, Jackson, Swain, and Pennsylvania.
Let's see if they double tone it this time.
These are the
They didn't. Okay.
lifetime observations for North
Southern Appalachians and adjacent foothills near the Blue Ridge Escarpment. A total of 2 to 3 inches of rain can be expected in the most favored areas, south and southwest facing ridges.
The pressure was 30.25 inches.
Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. At 8:42 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7:42 a.m. Central Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported storms producing heavy rain across the Warren area and several roads are closed due to flooding. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by storms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chattanooga, Cleveland, Jasper, Saudi Daisy, Signal Mountain, South Pittsburgh, Walden, Lakeside, Whitwell, Kimball, Montego, Ridgeside, Fairmount, Harrison, South Cleveland, Wildwood Lake, Red Bank, Collegedale, Powell's Crossroads, and Orem. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. This is no...
As much as 3 to 4 inches of rain is expected to accumulate from around Lake Burton South to the Batesville area, with an additional inch of rain likely to fall in the Highway 441 corridor. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Radar: flash flooding of small creeks, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Greenville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Use your Bank of America Rewards credit card.
Macon County in western North Carolina, South Central Swain County in western North Carolina, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:57 a.m. eastern daylight time, with the likelihood of additional heavy rain this morning. Numerous tributaries of the Little Tennessee and Chattanooga rivers are expected to flood and develop into Tonight to late Thursday night. 45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday night with 23.3 and rising.
What? Oh, that's WW's 23.
Areas. Heavy rain is increasing the risk of landslides, especially in areas where slides have occurred in the past. And especially alert if you are near a stream, especially at the base of a mountain or in a cave. Watch for loose-moving soil and rocks or a sudden increase in stream flow. May deteriorate quickly if this is observed. When driving a long way where the terrain is steep or rocky, watch and listen for falling rocks, trees, and other debris. Heavily terrain neighborhoods and low water crossings which are potentially dangerous may be rain. Do not watch for the roads. Find an alternate route. Now, this is the National Weather Service for you.
Yes.